Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you a strategy. It's a really nice strategy. I call it the infinite gamble because it always somehow saves you. I don't know how. Well, if you go to, for example, Eastern Frenzy and you got your last like dollar, you can see I got nothing, but you got your last dollar. You're always gonna pull some. So the strategy revolves around two things. First, the scrap upgrader, and then the 10% furnace case, or really any case other than those really bad ones like I don't know, the jug pile one, or the desert crate, or the other one, the airdrop crate. These are all shit. You should not never use them. Just never use them. They're always bad. Look at this. I'm not gonna pull anything from this. I just lost everything. If I had spent. But yeah, I have a simulation here. As you could see, I have no money, so I got a simulation here. And the strategy is basically kind of psychological. Well, you start with an upgrader, and you play 10 cents at a chance of 25% approximately. That will get you about 40 cents or a 4x multiplier. We're gonna do that here. And also, I have a calculator running right next to me, so I can calculate my losses. So we just lost 10 cents, and basically you do the scrap upgrader until you win. Another 10 cents? That's crazy. So, spin it a third time. And it's basically building up your luck. Yeah, there. So we just won 20 cents. We're 20 cents plus. Then we go into the 10% furnace case or any other crate. You can see I have the exact same probabilities here as in the actual furnace case. And the worst thing you can get is marked dark red, and the best thing is what's it called? Not dark red, yeah. So we'll spin it. You're gonna spin this in group unbox for people, but I don't have group unbox, so yeah, I'm just spinning it normally. I'm gonna calculate everything. No, first one is a loss. Expect a couple of losses here. Yeah, we got $2 a $2.30 loss. But this is the infinite gamble. And I gave myself start capital of $12.50. So we have $3.15 and losses. Or not $3, but yeah, $3.15. And then we win. Look at that. Yeah, we win big time. $3.15. Or no, minus $3.15. Plus 12.29 is gonna give us $9.14 in profit. Now you can stop here, or you can keep going. After you hit it once, you go to scrap upgrader again, and then you do it until you hit it. So let's see. First one is a loss. $9.04. We go again. Other one was also a loss. We have $8.94. Third one also a loss, which is really unlucky. $8.84. Fourth one, expect to win actually. Nope. And basically, when you can also do scrap upgrader when you feel bad. You just have a feeling. It's just a feeling. Like you just feel bad and you feel demotivated is the best word for it. So yeah. Soon they'll win. I'm gonna stop here with upgraded because I actually feel I win. I feel I win in furthest case. Let's go. Ah! Yeah. You can see. Sometimes you're just unlucky. Still very good profit. Yep, no longer the case. We see one pool. I actually feel bad about these unboxings. I'll see it again. Damn, they ain't gonna give me anything, bro. We're at $4.04 in profit. And that's not a hit, sad. So we're $2.89 profit. Yep, and there it is. There it is. Nah, we got the worst one. Still. I actually calculated wrong. That don't matter. 6.09 minus 1.25. Yeah, I didn't do it before. But still, $7.73. Actually feel good about another pull, so I'll go on another one. Yep. Nah, sad. 6.58 in profit. And another pull. Let's see it. It's a 6.09 again. Still. And I actually call it quits here. Let's actually calculate how much I got. 609 minus 1.25. Oh no. I calculated times. Wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw out the answer on the thing. Yeah. Hope that was a good strat. Bye.